Well, I almost got the work finished. We should be on the seas again tomorrow. But you could have helped. You burnt the ship after all.
Well, I'm sick with this cold, and I'm sneezing and coughing, and ate too many funnel cakes.
You should write a book, Blabbers. It should be titled, Excuse Me. Anyways, time for Devotion 67. When Samuel had been just a little boy, the nation of Israel had been in a mess for one specific reason. Eli, the priest, allowed his sons to be in positions of authority when those boys were wicked and ungodly men. In that horrible environment, God raised up little Samuel to change everything. That is what makes what we read in the following verses such a sad and utterly surprising thing. 1 Samuel 8:1. And it came to pass when Samuel was old that he made his sons judges over Israel. Now the name of his firstborn was Joel, and the name of his second, Abiah. They were judges in Beersheba. And his sons walked not in his ways, but turned aside after lucre, and took bribes, and perverted judgment. Samuel and his sons ended up looking like a remake of a movie of Eli and his sons. Bear in mind that the boys being wicked was not the ultimate problem. It is entirely possible for parents to be godly and do everything right and still have a child or children turn out bad. Just consider the account of the prodigal son as proof of that. The real problem, therefore, was that Samuel put his sons in positions of authority, even knowing what they were like. He chose family over godliness. He chose to make the good of the nation secondary to doing something nice for his unworthy children. Do understand that anyone's children can go bad. If and when they do, it is perfectly acceptable to still love them, but it is never acceptable to give unrighteous people positions and benefits that should only be given to righteous people. Excellent point. Even good kids can go bad.
You don't need to confess to me, although I doubt you started off good. Have a blessed day, everyone.